The first ever real estate project, financed through crowdfunding, is now open for business. Not only are investors already seeing returns, but the project itself is transforming both the neighborhood and the real estate landscape. Diana Olick reports.
We met Ben Miller a year and a half ago in a dicey D.C. neighborhood at the shell of an old building he claimed would make history. Today, Maquetto is open for business, the first ever crowd-funded real estate project, a floor plan for the future.
We raised $350,000 from 175 people at $100 a share.
Miller's platform, Fundrise, allows investors to buy shares in commercial real estate projects. In return, investors get rental stream, property appreciation, and they get to be a part of something bigger.
And we started Fundrise with an idea that, why can't everybody be part of investing and building in their neighborhood?
Gina Schaefer, who owns 10 area hardware stores but leases all her spaces, bought into the Fundrise project to the tune of $10,000.
For us, it was just being a part of the sharing community and the movement, and being able to, even if it was just a piece, say that we at least owned something.
This area, called H Street, is still in transition, but Maquetto is a solid anchor. In just 1 month, a thriving market that embodies the crowd even in its structure. It houses a retail store, a bar, a bakery, a coffee company, and a high-end Asian fusion restaurant.
I think when you have the synergy of all these businesses, you get that lifestyle brand.
Christopher Vigilante saw an opportunity not only to house his coffee business, but to profit from a new model.
Folks that typically want to drink a high-end coffee can understand what really fine cuisine can be like, and can also appreciate fine clothing.
The vendors here literally feed off each other, with retail pulling patrons in for their morning coffee and then keeping them here right up through dinner and after hours at the bar. Its shared space, from floor plan to financing, is attractive to the social generation, and now crowdfunding is ever more attractive to investors.
We did probably $150 million of real estate in the last month, and we are doing a project a week. So we find and underwrite and fund a project a week. So it blew our mind.
Miller estimates the value of this property alone is up 50 to 100%, and Maquetto has outperformed all projections. He calls its cash flow just a bonus compared to the contribution it's making to both the community and the concept of real estate crowdfunding. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Diana Olick in Washington.